Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Today I'm making some resin deco pop sockets. I wanted to play around with my UV resin and make some items other than shakers, and decided I wanted to make some pop sockets. Because pop sockets are universal and would work on any phone, they would make easy DIY gifts for the special people in my life. So I purchased a big bag of random colors off of Etsy, and I'll leave a link for you guys below. On the screen are some of the other materials I used as well. I will also leave you links to those supplies in the description. Enough with the talking, let's get to crafting. I hope you enjoy. The first thing I did was mix some colors. I chose to go with a clear glitter for all of my pieces as it would go well with all of the themes. For the first piece, I'm adding this bear and moon sticker to a light blue pop socket. I thought this would be cute for a night scene, so I decided to add just one pastel yellow star cabochon and a few rhinestones. Simple and cute. I didn't show it, but after everything was placed, I used a lighter to heat up the resin and pop the bubbles. Then I placed it into the UV light to cure. After curing, I added on a light layer of clear UV resin to dome the piece. Again, I used heat to pop the bubbles and placed it into the light to cure one last time. Then I went on to create my second pop socket. For this one, I chose a pastel pink socket. I thought the cinnamon roll sticker would be perfect for this socket, so I placed that on and covered it with a light layer of resin. I wanted some more color for this piece, so I added some chunky purple glitters and some cellophane glitter. Then I added some rhinestones for some more bling and a big purple bow and cured it in my UV light. After it cured, I added some more clear UV resin to dome the piece around the bow. Unfortunately, I forgot to heat up the bubbles before the second cure and it ended up with some air bubbles. I easily covered that up with some more rhinestones, which you'll see in the end. Still cute though. For the last piece, I used a white pop socket. I poured on my resin mixture and spread that out, and then added some sprinkles to the mix. Once the sprinkles were in place, I placed on a conversation heart, a few more candy pieces, and some chunky purple glitter to make this pop socket super sweet. I heated up the resin to pop the air bubbles and placed it into the UV light to cure. After curing, I added one more layer of clear UV resin to dome the piece. Popped the bubbles, and cured it one more time. And voila! I really love how these pieces turned out, so pastel and so cute. My favorite one is the cinnamon roll pop socket, even with its flaws. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. If you'd like to see me make more pop sockets in the future, hit that like button for me. And if you're new here and like what I do, please hit the subscribe button and check out the description for all the links to my other social medias. Hey, if you made it this far, I made a bonus pop socket. It's over on my TikTok page. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Be sure to follow me for more content over there as well. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.